Hello everyone. Today we're going to show you just a few basic terms for Excel. Now these are basic terms. We are going to go over about 6 of them. We're going to look at ribbon, main tabs, column heading, column row, active cell, and a name box. The ribbon is a set of toolbars at the top of the window in Office programs designed to help you quickly find commands that you need to complete a task. Here is a ribbon right here. All across the top, you have a ribbon, and part of the ribbon are your main tabs. And your main tabs are across the top, and they will, for the most part, remain constant and available to you. So that if you want to draw something on your Excel sheet, you're able to do that. If you want to insert something, you're able to maintain the view of your sheet and insert something. And usually your default tab would be Home. A column heading are the letters that are on top of each column across your sheet. They'll be in alphabetical order, A, B, C, D. And when it goes to Z and goes onto another column, it'll restart by lettering AA, and then AB, AC, etc. And these are your row headings right here. So your row heading is the sequence of numbers on the left side of your sheet. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are my headings. So these are your column headings. And then these are your row headings. An active cell is the cell that you are currently on where you can type in information or data. So right now my active cell is right under the column C and across the row 1. If I want to change my active cell, I simply click, and now I am in a different active cell, which is C. It's column C, and it's number 2, row 2. So that is my active cell. You can also move by using your arrows. Next we're going to cover is the name box. The name box is the cell reference which is located below the ribbon, and it usually displays the cell reference. For example, here we mentioned we were in column C, row 2. If you look right here, you're going to see the name reference C2. If we change that and go to C3, you'll notice that that will change. Now just a hint here, if you have selected several cells, usually you will have the reference will be on the first cell on your upper left. That's usually your reference. So this is C1, even though your active cells are 4 of them, you only will have 1. Now, if you click here, if you select 4 cells here, you'll notice that in your reference bar here, let's go here, and you're going to notice that you see a 2R by 2C. That means you have selected 2 rows, which is this row and this row, and 2 columns right here. When you let go, it'll go back to the reference C1, even though you have selected 4 cells.